Today we will learn how to make a countdown timer in Premiere Pro. First of all, take your favorite background and stretch it for 10 seconds and increase the scale value. Then go to the starting point and turn on the toggle animation of rotation. Then go to the ending point and rotate as much as you want. Now I have taken a green screen video here. Apply Ultra Key effect to it and change the key color. Now create a text box with the Type tool. Type 10 number and change its font to Algerian. Also, increase the font size. Bring it to the center from both sides. Stretch it also for 10 seconds. Now cut it with the razor tool on every 1 second. Now type 9 to 1 numbers on every graphic for countdown. And you are done. The countdown is ready. Now if you want, you can make it a little more fancy. Take the ellipse tool and create a circle. Place it below the text layer and stretch it for 10 seconds. Now go to the Effects control panel to color the shape. Go to the Fill option, and then go to the Solid option, and choose Linear Gradient there. Now apply the 3 color codes shown here one by one. Stretch the curves a little further in the shape visible on the screen. Now apply the radial wipe effect. And then cut them on every second with the razor tool. Now select the first shape and bring the navigator to the first frame. Go to the Effects control panel. Turn on the toggle animation of transition completion inside the radial wipe. Then go to the last frame and set the transition completion to 100. Now right-click on the radial wipe and copy it. And then right-click on the radial wipe and paste it on all the graphics. And it's ready. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos.